Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Sunday, March 4th, 2001, 8 am. The Earth's history is both very ancient and rich. It had some advanced civilizations. Extraterrestrials, as you call them, came to establish exploration sites and to build interplanetary relay stations. Some of them survived, even though not having their primary usefulness anymore. The pyramids belong to them. Many things are said and written about them. They still play an important role energy wise. Revelations on this point will bring a new enlightenment to men of the future ages. The time has not come yet. Could they really understand all the subtleties of the system? They should at least start admitting that life exists on the planets of the solar system and beyond. It will really be necessary to hit hard so that they accept this principle. A massive invasion will occur. We already mentioned that possibility, which alone will put an end to the wanderings of all forms of science. The whole picture will need revising. Those beings will bring an extraordinary knowledge that will leave the poor earthlings stupefied. With their pompous ideas on everything, most of which are wrong or worthless. Those beings will come in order to protect the universal balance from men's misconduct as well as from the huge risks they are running with their so called progress, which is alarming in many respects. Babuji. Same day at 10 am. My dear daughter, concerning these prophecies, you must write what we dictate without having any qualms. You cannot check the soundness of what we are telling you. Some of our comments confirm assertions you read from other sources, which themselves include some of ours, the best inspired ones being written by mediums having access to well informed sources. Great upheavals occurred on this planet time and time again. They made life evolve in its various forms. Terrifying species inhabited the planet that screenwriters of science fiction movies cannot even imagine. The humanoid kingdom is rather recent. It was not about spontaneous generation, but it was experimentally generated by superior beings and has evolved with time. Present researchers whose eyes are riveted on test tubes would be astounded if they discovered the true reality of mankind. There is no question here of an upper race as they believe. This subrace tries to work its way up to the upper level of God's help. There is every hope of success. There is a lot to do. All kinds of committed persons have devoted themselves to it. Eden will not happen in a hurry, but a high level embryonic consciousness is germinating and growing in this world so as to reach a possible full blossoming in a very distant future. Babuji.